Today, we're making a website in 5 minutes or less. You do not need to keep hiring someone that charges you thousands of dollars and you actually hate the website. Let's go. Today, we're using Gamma.app. Great site. You can do a lot of things with it. Today, I'm going to just show you a simple way to make a website, and then you can go ahead and tweak it. So I'm going to go to create new. Cool thing with Gamma is I can generate one. I can paste in text, which means if I already had a prompt I wanted to use, I can just paste it there, or I can generate from a template. If I already had a website and I wanted to see how Gamma will make it look pretty, I can do that too. But today we're going to just make one from scratch. So we're going to go to generate. And today we're going to just use, say I was a therapist. I'm going to put, I am a Black male that is therapist, and you can put whatever you want. I serve men who deal with identity, childhood trauma, and let's say, and faith. Make sure this website has sections that describes benefit of therapy and what happens without therapy. Specialize in somatic therapy as well as talk therapy, all from a faith-based lens. Now, of course, I can go ahead and clean this prompt up. I could even do it in ChatGPT, which I'll show in a different video, but this is off the heck. I'm going to show you guys. So now I have my prompt. I'm going to hit generate outline. Now, when you see generate outline, you can see it doing some work in its first part. It's going to just start breaking up the website in little tabs. So I'm breaking it up right here. And you're going to also see some themes that I can choose based on how I want my website to look. So I'm going to just choose, let's just choose this right here. It's called Mystique. I'm going to hit generate. And now I'm letting this do its magic. If you want to put a timer on, it's going to take less than a minute to pull this up. Look at it. It's already working. It's breaking it down section by section. You're probably thinking, can I go in and change stuff if I wanted to? You absolutely can. Today, we're just showing you a simple way to create one and have a website or even a landing page up in less than 5 minutes. That is a game changer. So now it's finishing up. I'm going to let it do its work. I can scroll up. I can see what I got, put pictures in, all based on that prompt. I can add things into it. I can take things away. I can even change the theme. Let's just say I was like, hey, I'm not really feeling the theme that I have right here. I can just go to theme and I can choose a different one. And it automatically update. If you've ever done a website before, you know it does not happen that quick. Now, with that, you have your website. Here's a cool part. For you to share it, you can share it with people here. So I can send it as a link, copy link. I can export it as a PDF if I wanted to. Google Slides if you want to do a presentation, or just as a normal website, I can publish to the site. So let's just see publish to site. And here's where I will go after that, and I'm going to convert it to a site. Now, here's the cool part. You can add it to a domain that you already have, or you can follow the directions that they give you, which is super simple, where you can go ahead and buy a new domain for about $12 a year. That's a way to go ahead and make your website. Any questions, hit me up in the comments.